Hi, I'm Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to review the Controller 2 from AC Infinity. So what is a Controller 2? Well, it turns out we have a stereo cabinet, and it gets warm inside the cabinet when we have our receiver and other things in there. And so we have a fan that actually exhausts the cabinet. And we need a way of knowing if it gets too warm in there, in which case we want to turn those fans on. So we picked up this device from AC Infinity, and it allows us to set a temperature range or where we want the fans to come on. So let's just take a quick look. All right, so device 2 they call it, AC Infinity. Here it is. So it's a little panel, all right, with some nice cute buttons on it for temperatures up and down and setting all up and everything else. It even has a piece of plastic over the screen, so we'll take that off. Ta-da! Okay, nice little display. And then on the back, if you look on the back here, there's 2 USB ports, so this can support, I believe, 6 fans. And then there's a plug for the probe and a plug for the power. So let's take a look at what those look like. So take that out. So it comes with a temperature probe, which means that this panel doesn't have to be at the same location as the temperature probe, which is nice if you happen to actually install it physically in the cabinet. We're just going to put it inside. But that's it. It comes with a temperature probe, so this plugs in. There's your temperature probe. And we've got a power supply. Okay, so here's the power supply. So it just plugs into the back of the unit. Comes with some screws, some sticky tape. All right. And most importantly, it comes with directions. So there we go, the AirPlate series. So this is the AirPlate series cabinet cooling system. So it's a little user's guide on how to set it up. All right, so that's it. That's the whole unit. So let's take a look at this. So here it is. There's the unit. And the little extra things that come with it. The temperature probe that you plug in the back. The directions. And this little plate here, which goes on the back. Kind of a gasket type of thing. And that's the whole thing. That's the AC Infinity Controller 2. Thank you.